Good morning YouTube beauts. We're here on a wet and windy morning. The mornings are getting, well, they're not getting as light. So it's just past 8 o'clock in the morning. About 2 months towards Christmas. So this is probably going to be my last video, or depending on which one for the year. I have got about 8 that I need to edit. So you beauts are not going to be left without no content. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. I want to wish the Magnet Store team a very, very Merry Christmas. And I want to wish the Magnet Store family, all the affiliates, I'll put all your links in the description. I'll put everything on the page now. Popping up, and all that lot. I want to thank you to everybody that's subscribed, everybody that's had faith in me in the channel, and more to come. New people that have come along, people that have been here from the start. I appreciate everything. We're gonna kick 2021's butt after this year has gone. It's been a sad year, but anyway, let's not end on a negative. Let's start with positive. Let's get some treats found. Right, you beauts, let's just crack on. So we got the usual kit. I've got my 550 with me. I've even got my single-sided 500, dry bag, bucket, bag, rubbish. Even got my little Joby handheld in case I get a bit fancy, you know what I mean. But I think we'll just throw that in there for now. Right, let's crack on. Very, very windy today. Oh yeah, look at that. Rochdale's Hogwarts Express. Look at that. Who says Rochdale don't treat you? Now let's get that treat bucket full. Or the cart, whichever comes first. This is a familiar spot where people just come and chill at night. So, yeah, let's have a little tickle there. I've noticed over here is a bit of metal, so let's have a nosy at it. Yeah, is that a bit of an old jack? Should we take that home? Should we have a look at that? Should we have that? Cheers whoever pulled this out. I'll have a nosy at that. First surface fine treat. Let's get in there. I think I did hear about, well, not necessarily this spot, further down with grandkids about, it's got to be a year ago at least. But if someone's finding old style jacks, if that is one, and we'll have a little tickle here, won't we? It was just a bit up that way I found the 50cc moped. So, you know, we've got stuff in here, it's just a matter of finding it, isn't it? It's a matter of picking, well, not picking the exact spot, because, you know, if we knew where everything was, you know, it wouldn't be fun, would it? But some people know where stuff are and just miraculously just pull it out, you know what I mean? Old chestnut. I think we've got a full can here. Bit of 7-Up. Can go in the bin straight away. Whee! 4p. 4p on the first chuck. Like I said, you beauts, even if we don't find anything other than that, at least we found something. do love these early mornings. I like a 6 o'clocker, but it was pitch black, and I'm not getting the torch out yet, and that's just going to be saved for the 24-hour magnet fishing event, which will be due in 2021, as well as some other events that I'll be in talks with people shortly, if I haven't already. So if you know, you know. If you don't, you don't. Yeah, it's just a bit of fencing. Top of a can, smeg, and a penny. So we're up 5p. We're up 5p already. Some wombles making a noise over there, interrupting my video, you know what I mean. I want to give a special shout out to my family. I love you loads. It's been a tough year. It's been a tough 2 years for us. And do you know what? We're fighters. We were born that way. And we'll fight through anything, as long as we've got each other. You know what I mean? What we got here? So I'm getting tangled up. Right. Got a bit of a scaff apparatus that can go in the bin. I've seen plenty of them. I don't know what that is, so you know we're having a nosy. Smirnoff can get in there, and the penny can get in there. Right, let's give a little side chuck. This Rochdale Canal, it's 32 miles long, so just think of 32 miles of trees. And you know what? In all my days of magnet fishing combined, I've probably not even done a mile of that, as in altogether, because I just pick one spot, stand in it for however long I want to, me and the crew, or me on my own, and just you know, try and get everything out in one spot. So I've got years ahead if I still do this hobby, you know. And that's not to mention all the other canals and rivers, you know what I mean. I'll go for these. I'm just gonna go straight in the bag for rubbish. Key, ladies and gents. Yeah, we've got a key. You know, we'll have that baby, don't you? Bit of metal. Bit of smeg. Let me just wash this key. I'll have a closer look, won't we? There we go, it's a little car key that, I think, an Audi. Go to the side again. Morning. Down here. Sorry, I use slang now and again. A Balboa is rocky, very rocky. Yeah. You like that one, don't you? nail. I'll go in the bin. Right, let's get that side done. Have a little tickle over there. Alright, what we got? A bit of fencing. Doritos lid. Hey, packing in Doritos. And some smeg. I'll put that in there, we don't need it. Like I say, ladies and gents, sometimes we move to right, sometimes we move to left, but we'll just more or less stay in one spot for the duration. I'm not right into bridge hopping. Can't be bothered walking up and down and that. Let's well stay in one spot and get it licked. Because not everything is under a bridge or at the side of it. I'll give you a perfect example of that, and I'll put a picture up now. Vickers machine guns. They certainly weren't near a bridge. Oh, look at that little teeny tiny key. We're having that, aren't we? Bit of smeg and should I have a look at that? I want that. We hesitated too much, so we're taking it. So if this is going to be my Christmas one, I want to wish everyone a Merry Christmas and hopefully I'll have a Happy New Year. It's been a terrible year 2020 for people, and my prayers and everything are with you, each and every one of you that's watching. I hope it's a better year for you next year. Looks to me like there's a broken fence down there somewhere. Anyway, we'll get rid of it, we're not shy. Brothers, we'll have that. I don't think we've had that one before. Yeah. And a bit of pipe. Bottle cap. Right, I'm going to have a tickle with my 500. You know the dance as well. If you like any of the products that you see, Magnet stores your place. There's numerous codes flying around for discounts, but You know, if you fancy using mine, treat yourself. Patriot 10. Everything gets put back into the channel, and I'm not one of these that beg for subscribers, where you've got to take pictures of this to prove this and that lot. If you want to subscribe, you know, it's appreciated if you do, but I'm not going to beg for subscribers, you know what I mean? I'm happy with you beauts. Bottle cap. Yeah, I think we've had that one before. Okay, what we got here? Part of a speaker. Some rubbish. Smeg. Have a smeg bag, part of that fence again. Get all this out. Rubbish over here. A lot of weed. Smeg. Smeg weed. That's what we're going to call it. Get that piece of rubbish out, don't belong in there. Alright, what we got here? Let's take it over to cart. Right. Should we take a look at that? Yeah. It's got a bit of smeg on this side. That's part of a drawer. Let's just get binned. And then all smeg on that side. Different. quite different, don't we? Right. Take it over to the cart. Rid of the rubbish first. I think it's just that fence again. It's been down there time, hasn't it, for it to be broken up like this. Never mind. Bit by bit we're getting it out. We got here. I have a big plate. That can go there. Rubbish can go there. There's that plastic bit trying to escape. Bag, more or less full, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, plenty of a load. Let me just sort this out. Get it sorted like that, so we can fill some more rubbish up. And down. And you know what? If we don't find anything else and we fill that, a mega bonus. In it. Tell you what, I'll be a bonus if I pick the dog crap up. Okay, what we got here? We have a tin with an 11 on it. That's part of a lock. We'll have a look at that. Get that in the treat bucket. We just got smeg. What we got? Rubbish. 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 And smeg. So whoever's been here before has probably pulled all the big bits out, which is good, I suppose. Because normally we find scaff poles and all the other stuff. Never mind, as long as it's out water. Bite lock. Look at that. Jibbed. Yep, still don't work. Yep, still don't work. Closer look at that. Oh, a 2p and a bit of piping. Piping can go in there. 2p can go in the treat. Let's see what this is.
Gems?
No.
No, I do it myself.
Are you?
Yeah, magnet fishing, yeah, we're doing it ourselves. Put a little bow in there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we just started getting into it in summer, do you know what I mean? Just give it a try.
How far have you done, little bro?
We've done all the way up to Todmorden all the way through.
Oh, I like Todmorden.
Yeah, it's smart up there, nice in
Yeah.
this area as well.
Right, before I was chatting, pulled this up. I ain't got a clue what that is. But we'll have a look. We have the leech. That leech can do one. Back in. A pedal. We'll have a look at that. I think I've got one similar. What have we got on here? That looks like part of a locking mechanism. It's when you turn the handle, probably to that lock over there, or part of. And spear. And smeg. Spear and smeg. Bit more piping. Let's go opposite side of cart now. So we'll move down another foot and a bit. We got another 2p. We'll get there, won't it? Ooh, 10p. Going for it today with coins, aren't we? Nail. Right, let's have a look at our cart. So, I think a few more minutes. That's more or less half full. Let's have a look at it. Yeah, half full. Bin bags done wonders today, hasn't it? It's filled up rapid, that of all rubbish. What's that? Is that a rod rest? Fancy one or what? We're having that. I'll have a look at that at home. On him. Maybe. Everyone was selected deafness. Wow. What a rude person. You better pick your crap up from the job as well. What's this? Oh. Okay. Right, as you can see there, we have a load of stones weighing this down. Razor blades there, so let's take it easy. Alright. And let's examine these contents safely. Right, so that's what's in the bag, ladies and gents, with the stones, razor blades. There's the stones. I don't know what that is. I don't really want to open that. Anyone knows what they are? Whatever that is. Whatever that is. These. And they're razor blades as well. Yeah, we'll have a look through that when we get home. Just put that there for a sec. I'll even keep the stones for you. Wow. That's unexpected, weren't it? Right, I think we're going to have a last throw. I think we'll have a last throw to the right and a last throw to the left. What do you reckon? There you go. That's the right one. The last throw to the right. And then we'll have one to the left. Okay, the one to the right, give us some schmag, and a little nail. On to the left. I mean, we've pretty much been down that way, haven't we, because we've moved up to the right. But you never know, can't cover everywhere. So with this lens, pack it in lens, behave. Right, chuck to the left, see what we get. Oh. We have a metal bar, so that'll go straight into on there. Everything else in this bag. Oh, 5p as well, I'll have that. And that's it, we're done. Right, that's our hour done, and we've only found a few things, but you know, look at how much rubbish. It starts messing around. You can't see it, let me spin you. Anyway, I've had to double bag it, it's that heavy. That's the first time I double bagged it. So there you go, ladies and gents, off home now. I'll see you at the clean up when I get a brew, because I'm absolutely thirsty and cold. Right, we're back home in the nice comfort of our home with a nice brew. So basically, follow your dreams, that's all I can say. Right, let's get cracking with this. So, I think first and foremost, we'll just go to the smeg pile over here. So there's that square plate, rectangular plate. Last thing we pulled out, I think, was that tube, metal tube. There's like the hinge bit and then the long pole that we had. So, what have we got? Let's just go straight from the top here. Speaker. I'm going to show you if this is magnetic or not. Let's get a... Not really. No markings on it, so we can't really see the make. Apart from whatever that is, number 1. And then it's got... It's 26th of November. Does that say 40 there? 1940 something that. That's a 4. Look how cool that is. Wow, didn't notice that. What I did notice was something down here. Some little numbers. I'll get some little close up of that. I didn't even notice that, 1940. So either 1940, it's 1946 and 40 something or 40. Wow, love it. Cool. Yeah, somebody left this for us. I've tried to clean it up a bit, but it's absolutely full of rust. So I'll probably need electrolysis or something. I just want to get that bit off it and then bin that bit. But I will do eventually. Probably do electrolysis on that just to loosen it up. But it's movable. These two come up separately. But normally for outhouses, doors and everything, you have these locks. Sometimes you have them on gates, and obviously this is a lot bigger, but the hole's a lot bigger. But normally that goes through and then your handle goes through on either side to turn it to release that. But no names on either of them. This is peculiar. Dinted at that end, dinted at that end. Strange one that. Any ideas, anybody? Union pedal. I think I found... Yeah, I've found one similar to this, so we might have a matching pair now. These two objects I want to have a closer look at, but they're just smeg. Just iron slag. Nail. Wonder Woman sign. No, it's a think it's the top of a rod rest. Yeah, but we'll keep that for our Danny and Matt when they go fishing, if they want it. I think this is an old car key. I don't think it's got any names on it, all that I can see. Similar to this one that we pulled up. That has got something written there, but it's that far gone you can't hardly see. So 2 keys. The Brothers bottle top. Cool, all that. We never had one, don't think. This is mint. Look at this spike. Look at that beauty. Got duct tape or electrical tape all the way around. I'm not sure if that's for the grip or to just you know, do some vampires. Or they normally put stuff like that on in case they want to go X amount in the ground or something. Or normally if you put stuff like that round it so you can easily take it off so your fingerprints don't get hold of stuff. So I've heard. This bite lock been jibbed. That's manner. Anyway, it's knackered. It's cut. Right, we have 22p. Got 16p there. 2 1s and a 5p. This is very interesting. It feels coin material, smooth on either side, smooth around the edges. It's not like it's been an off-cut or anything. I'm really intrigued about that. I'm not sure if it's got anything written on it. Might have to get a vinegar bath on that. I think we'll do that one. Yeah, definitely for a vinegar bath. We'll put that there. Right. Pulled up this bag, and as you can see, I have loads of stones in it. It is a freezer bag. I don't think they like to freeze these. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 blocks of Wilkinson sword. And then you've got a pack of these, damn, Supermax. I'll show you them, which are there. Let me just grab them a sec. Right, we're back. Supermax, super stainless, and they're actually in little packets. These razor blades, like little envelopes, aren't they? I'm not sure if there's 2 there or 1. Yeah. Anyway, they're basically them loose ones in little envelopes, like little chewing gums, you know what I mean? Weird that. But what's weird about it is, obviously it's weighed down, fair enough. But these, now, inside these bottom bits is ink. And I'll show you. I'll just show you this one. Some of them bubble up. There we are. But that looks like it's got little needles on it. Like that. As you can see. And these 2 have definitely got needles on it. Quite dubious about opening these, but I will show you. That's a black one. Ink or paint. Get that tight before we get this off. There we go. And that, it's got a little needle. I ain't got a clue what they are, but there's 2 of them anyway. Anyone can shed any light on them. So we have black, white and blue. Let's strange that. Anyway, we've come to the end. So I want to wish everyone a happy Christmas and a happy New Year. Make sure you get loads of treats. Make sure you visit Magnet Store. Get your treats from there. And yeah, they'll get everything you need in that one place. Quick with delivery, customer service, A+. And if you ever need anything, just give me a shout. If you ever need to speak to them as well, give them a shout via Messenger, Facebook. Catch up with me on Facebook through the channel, and I hope to see you all in the new year, and I hope to see what you've got for Christmas. So show me on the page, and there's some more videos coming out obviously, but this is the Christmas one. Thank you very much, love you all.